Hello guys, welcome to my English spoken classes. Guys, today I am present how can speak English guide, but absolutely very easy speaking English spoken. Guys, broken English fluently speak. How can speak English very easy speak? How speak English? But many rules, grammar, bases, many parts, yani model, auxiliary verb, tense include knowledge, and you have knowledge, and but absolutely you are very easy speaking. Guys, tenses, my other parts some tense included, but in this part may there are 12 parts. 12 parts: definite, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. 4 part, 4, and past, present, past, future, guys, included by tense. But simply helping verb in this video telling about helping verbs. Yani present negative sentences simply say present indefinite, do does, negative interrogative started uses helping verb do does. But absolutely continuous is mr, present continuous helping verb use is mr, affirmative negative interrogative या sentences uses helping verb, and perfect tense, present perfect tense helping verb have has, and perfect present perfect continuous helping verb have been has been, and others part yani past tense affirmative do not use helping verb, and main verb second form uses, main verb second form use, but negative interrogative did use helping verb. But absolutely you are my telling about very easy understood, uh, consistent mind listening, and more helping verb learn about many tenses, and indefinite negative interrogative yani uses past tense did helping verb, and continuous past continuous helping verb use was were. Guys, was where कहिए या were, and others perfect only had use, and past perfect continuous तो had been, future continuous will and shall, future sorry future indefinite will and shall, future continuous will be shall be, and future perfect will have shall have, and future perfect continuous yani will have been shall have been. So guys, today I am 12 tenses helping verb include and telling about your consistent mind, and repeated by repeated listen my video and helping verb learn. Thanks for watching. God bless you.